I'm about to show you the most popular recipe ever on Allrecipes, banana bread. This is a no fuss recipe. I also love that it has no nuts in it. I love just a plain, simple banana bread. It's going to be moist, it's going to be delicious. We'll start like any baking recipe starts by mixing up the dry ingredients, just a couple cups of flour, and to that I'm going in with a little bit of salt and baking soda. Once your dry ingredients are mixed, now I'm going to mash up the bananas. Of course, this is the star of the show. When it comes time to pick your bananas for banana bread, you want to choose the ones that are more ripe. As you can tell, ones that kind of have brown at the bottom and some brown spots on them, those are going to be more ripe and more sweet. You just don't want to choose them if they're too green. This right here is perfect to me. These are small bananas, so I'm going to use about 5 or 6. I'm looking for about 2 1/3 cups. Best way to mash banana is with a fork. All right, once that's mostly smooth, now we're ready to mix everything together. To start, I'm going to beat brown sugar and butter in a bowl. At this point, I'm going to stir in the mashed banana and 2 eggs. Now that that's together, in go the dry ingredients. It's as simple as that. You don't want to overmix it at this point, stir until just combined. Just add the mixture to a lightly greased loaf pan. Banana bread is definitely one of the easier baking recipes that I can make. You're just going to use a loaf pan. The recipe calls for a 9x5. If you happen to have an 8x4 or something smaller, all you need to do is increase the cook time because it's going to be a little bit thicker. This goes into an oven, 350 degrees for about an hour. It's going to be good. Baked, cooled, and ready to eat. Look at her. She's a beaut. When sugar bakes, it makes a delicious crust on the top. That's my favorite part. I can see why this is the most popular recipe of all time. I can also see why it's called banana bread, because that banana flavor is so intense. And because we used so much of that mashed banana, that's why this is so moist. That seals the deal. Banana bread is my favorite. Done.
Banana bread is now my favorite recipe.
I like that.